Hey kids, welcome. Let's learn the table of 3 with digital UmmaRa. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Let's repeat together and learn 3 table. 3 ones are, yes, tell me, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are, 3 twos are, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are, 3 threes are, 3 threes are 9. Very good, well done. 3 fours are, 3 fours are, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are, yes, tell me, 3 fives are, 3 fives are 15. Well done. 3 6 are, 3 6 are, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are, 3 sevens are, 3 sevens are 21. Very good. 3 eights are, 3 eights are, 3 eights are 24, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are, 3 nines are, yes, tell me everyone, 3 nines are, 3 nines are 27. Very good. 3 tens are, 3 tens are, so simple, tell me, 3 tens are, 3 tens are 30, 3 tens are 30. Yay! Now you learn table of 3. Now repeat it again. 4 twos are, let's tell me, 4 twos are, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are, 4 threes are, yes, you're right, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are, 4 fours are, tell me, what is 4 fours are? 4 fours are, 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are, 4 fives are, 4 fives are 20. Yeah, let's go. 4 6 are, 4 6 are, 4 6 are 24. 4 sevens are, 4 sevens are, 4 sevens are 28. Yay! 4 eights are, 4 eights are, 4 eights are 32. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are, 4 nines are, yes, 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are, 4 tens are, 4 tens are 40. So simple. Yes. Now I already learned the table of 4. Yay!